Welcome back to the channel. If you love interior design and want to create a modern office space on a budget, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to design a stylish and functional workspace without spending a fortune. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let's get started. First things first. Whether you're working from home or revamping your office, the key to a modern space is simplicity and functionality. But before you rush out and buy new furniture, start by assessing your current setup. What works? What doesn't? And most importantly, what can you repurpose? One of the easiest ways to achieve a modern look on a budget is to declutter. A clutter-free space isn't just visually appealing, it also boosts productivity. So, before anything else, clear out unnecessary items. Get rid of old papers, unused gadgets, and anything that makes your workspace feel chaotic. Now let's talk furniture. A modern office should be sleek and minimal, but that doesn't mean expensive. Instead of buying brand new pieces, consider secondhand furniture or upcycling. Websites like Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, or even charity shops often have high-quality desks and chairs at a fraction of the cost. And if you're feeling creative, a bit of DIY can transform an old desk with a fresh coat of paint or new handles. When selecting a desk, opt for a simple and functional design. A floating desk or a compact table can save space while maintaining a clean aesthetic. If you need storage, look for desks with built-in drawers. Or better yet, add floating shelves to keep things organized without taking up floor space. Now let's talk about seating. A good office chair is essential, but ergonomic doesn't have to mean expensive. If a high-end chair is out of budget, consider adding a lumbar support cushion to a standard chair to improve comfort. And remember, posture is everything. Your back will thank you. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood of your workspace. Natural light is ideal, so place your desk near a window if possible. But if that's not an option, invest in a good desk lamp with warm LED lighting. Soft, warm lighting creates a cozy atmosphere and reduces eye strain, perfect for those long working hours. Now, let's get into styling. A modern office isn't just about function, it's also about aesthetics. The color palette you choose can have a big impact on how you feel in your space. Neutral tones like white, gray, and beige create a clean, sophisticated look, while pops of color, through artwork, plants, or accessories, can add personality and energy. Speaking of plants, adding greenery is one of the simplest and most affordable ways to refresh a space. Plants not only look great, but they also improve air quality and boost mood. If you're not great at keeping plants alive, go for low-maintenance options like succulents or snake plants. Now, let's talk wall decor. Instead of expensive artwork, why not try a gallery wall with affordable prints or framed quotes? You can also create a statement wall with peel and stick wallpaper. It's budget-friendly, easy to install, and instantly transforms a space. Storage is another key element in a well-designed office. Instead of bulky cabinets, use vertical space. Floating shelves, pegboards, and wall-mounted organizers keep essentials within reach, without taking up valuable desk space. For a budget-friendly option, repurpose items like mason jars for stationery or baskets for filing. Now let's talk about personal touches. Your office should reflect your personality while still being professional. A stylish notebook, a scented candle, or even a mood board with inspiring quotes can make a big difference. Just keep it minimal to avoid clutter. Finally, let's touch on technology. Cable management is crucial for a modern, streamlined look. Use cable organizers or even simple binder clips to keep cords tidy and out of sight. And if you're working with a laptop, a budget-friendly laptop stand can improve ergonomics and free up desk space. So, to recap, declutter, invest in affordable, yet stylish furniture, use smart lighting, incorporate greenery, and add personal touches to make your space both functional and inspiring. And that's it. Your guide to creating a modern office space on a budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more interior design tips, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite budget-friendly office hack? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.